Metropolitan Menagerie Discovering Urban Wildlife is a concept that revolves around exploring and appreciating the diverse wildlife that can be found in urban environments. It aims to highlight the presence of various animal species that have adapted to city life and thrive alongside human populations. The term urban wildlife refers to the animals that inhabit cities or urbanized areas. While urbanization often leads to habitat loss and fragmentation for many species, some animals have managed to adapt and even flourish in urban environments. These resilient creatures have found creative ways to coexist with humans, utilizing parks, green spaces, gardens, and even man-made structures as their habitats. Metropolitan Menagerie invites people to observe, learn about, and appreciate the wildlife that exists within their own cities and towns. It encourages individuals to recognize the importance of urban biodiversity and the role it plays in maintaining ecological balance even in highly developed areas. The concept could take various forms, such as 1. Guided urban wildlife tours. Organized tours led by knowledgeable guides who take participants to different urban habitats, pointing out and explaining various species encountered along the way. These tours may focus on specific animal groups like birds, mammals, or insects. 2. Citizen science initiatives. Engaging the community in scientific research by encouraging people to document and report urban wildlife sightings. This data can be used to track species distribution, population trends, and habitat preferences, aiding conservation efforts. 3. Educational programs. Developing educational materials and workshops targeting schools, community centers, and nature organizations. These programs could raise awareness about urban wildlife, their ecological importance, and the actions individuals can take to support their conservation. 4. Nature reserves and green spaces. Creating or enhancing urban nature. Reserves, parks, and green spaces to provide shelter, food, and breeding grounds for urban wildlife. These areas can serve as oases for both animals and people, fostering a sense of connection with nature. 5. Wildlife-friendly urban planning. Collaborating with urban planners and architects to incorporate wildlife-friendly features into city designs. This could include green roofs, wildlife corridors, and the preservation of natural habitats within urban areas. 6. Public outreach and media. Using various media platforms, including websites, social media, and television, to share stories, photographs, and videos that showcase urban wildlife and their fascinating behaviors. This can inspire a sense of wonder and appreciation for the biodiversity that exists within cities. By promoting the understanding and appreciation of urban wildlife, Metropolitan Menagerie not only enriches people's lives, but also contributes to the conservation and protection of these species. It encourages individuals to recognize the value of coexisting with nature in urban settings and to take actions that support the long-term survival of urban wildlife populations.